There's almost nothing more irritating than getting something stuck in your eye. One minute you're minding your business, and the next, wham! You're squinting, tearing up, and maybe even hopping around like a cartoon character. It could be an eyelash, a tiny speck of dirt, some pollen, a grain of sand, or even a stray fiber from your clothes. Whatever it is, your eye knows it doesn't belong there. It's amazing how even the tiniest particle can feel like a boulder lodged in your eye. Don't worry, Essential Cures got you. Most cases are easy to fix, if you stay calm and follow the right steps. Let's walk through everything you need to know to deal with this safely, gently, and smartly. Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to Essential Cures. First things first, stay calm. When something gets into your eye, your natural reaction might be to rub it hard or squeeze your eye shut. Please resist that urge. Why? Rubbing can actually scratch the clear surface of your eye, the cornea. It can push the object deeper or cause small cuts called corneal abrasions. These injuries can lead to infections or even longer-term vision problems if not treated. Take a deep breath. Your eye's own natural defense, tears, and a few smart steps can usually solve the problem. Step number 1. Wash those hands, seriously. Before you touch your face or go near your eye, wash your hands thoroughly. Why it matters? Your hands carry oils, bacteria, dirt, and germs. If you touch your eye with dirty hands, you risk making things way worse. Think infection, redness, swelling, or even more serious problems. Use warm water and soap. Scrub well, including under your nails. Dry with a clean towel. Now you're ready. Step number 2. Blink, blink, blink. Sometimes the simplest solution is the best one. Rapid blinking encourages your eye's natural tears to build up and flush out the foreign object. It's like a mini car wash for your eyeball. Try this. Tilt your head slightly back. Open your eye wide. Blink quickly several times. Many times, you'll feel instant relief as the object gets washed out naturally. Step number 3. Rinse with clean water or saline solution. If blinking isn't enough, it's time to rinse. You can use sterile saline solution, best option if you have it. Clean, lukewarm tap water, if saline isn't available. Artificial tears, eye drops designed to lubricate your eye. How to rinse properly. Tilt your head over a sink or lean over a bowl. Hold your eyelids open with clean fingers. Gently pour water over your open eye. Alternatively, you can fill a small, clean cup, like an eye cup or shot glass, with water and place it over your eye. Tilt your head back and blink into the water. Or better still, you can step into the shower and let a gentle stream of lukewarm water run over your forehead, down across your closed eye. This method is gentle and super effective, especially if the object is small and floating on the surface. Step number 4. Inspect carefully. If rinsing still doesn't solve the problem, it's time to do a little investigation. Find a mirror and a brightly lit area. Here's what to do. Look up while pulling your lower eyelid down. Check the lower part of your eye for any visible object. Then look down and gently lift your upper eyelid upward. The object could be hiding under the lid. Roll your eye around slowly, side to side, up and down, to see if you can spot anything unusual. Pro tip. If you suspect the object is under your upper eyelid but can't see it easily, try this. Pull your upper eyelid down over your lower eyelid and blink several times. This action sometimes moves the object into the center of the eye where it's easier to see and remove. Step number 5. Remove only if it's safe. If you can clearly see the object, and it's on the white part of your eye, not stuck or embedded, you can carefully remove it. How to do it safely. Moisten the tip of a clean cotton swab or the corner of a clean tissue. Lightly touch the object with the dampened end. It should stick to it easily. Never poke directly at your eye. Never use anything sharp or rough, like tweezers, your nails, or pens. Important. If the object seems stuck in the surface of your eye, like a splinter, or won't move easily, stop. Don't dig at it. You could cause more harm than good. It's time to get professional help. Big red flags. When to see a doctor. Not every eye incident can, or should, be handled at home. Seek medical attention immediately if you can't remove the object after trying. You still feel pain, tearing, redness, or discomfort after removing the object. Your vision becomes blurry or double. You notice blood, a cut, or anything that looks serious. The object is sharp, metallic, chemical-laced, or moving around inside the eye. Bottom line: it's better to let a professional safely handle anything stubborn. You don't want to risk permanent damage. Bonus tips: how to protect your eyes in the future. They say prevention is better than cure, and it's especially true when it comes to your eyes. Here's how you can protect yourself. Wear safety goggles when mowing lawns, using power tools, sanding wood, or handling chemicals. Use sunglasses in windy, dusty environments to shield your eyes. Be careful with makeup, especially powders, eyeliners, and mascaras. Avoid rubbing your eyes if you feel irritation. Instead, flush with clean water. Stay hydrated. Dry eyes are more likely to trap debris. Your eyes are incredible tools. Give them the care they deserve. Final thoughts: trust your body, and be gentle. Your eyes are brilliant little machines with their own protective systems, like tears and blinking. Most of the time, they can handle a little foreign object on their own with just a bit of help. The keys are: stay calm, be gentle, avoid rubbing, use clean water, seek help if needed. Remember, you only get one set of eyes. Treat them kindly, and they'll serve you beautifully for life. Just remember these few tips. How to safely get rid of something stuck in your eye. Stay calm. Wash your hands. Blink, blink, blink. Rinse with clean water or saline solution. Inspect carefully. Remove only if it's safe. How to protect your eyes in the future. Wear safety goggles. Use sunglasses. Be careful with makeup. Avoid rubbing your eyes. Stay hydrated. Now that we have discussed ways to safely get rid of foreign stuff stuck in the eye, you might want to dive into other topics of interest, like how to get rid of bad breath permanently with 10 best foods, or getting to know more about 7 early warning signs of heart attack. Let's keep the conversation going with a couple of more health-related videos for awesome wellness. Go ahead, click one, or better yet watch both and learn more. If you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics, please let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you, and are committed to providing you with valuable information to support your well-being. Wishing you all the best and see you on the other side.